In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a position or work experience from your LinkedIn profile. Maybe you added a role to test something, listed a short-term contract you don't want to highlight anymore, or you simply want to tidy up your profile. Whatever the reason, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll guide you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the LinkedIn app, then tap your profile photo in the upper left corner. On the menu that appears, tap your name to open your profile page. This takes you to the full view of your profile where all your information is organized by sections. Scroll down until you reach the Experience section. Here you'll see all the roles currently listed on your account, arranged like a timeline of your career. Take a moment to confirm you've found the exact position you'd like to remove. If you have multiple similar roles with the same company, double-check the job title and dates so you select the right one. When you've identified the correct entry, tap the pencil icon beside that role. The pencil opens the editor for that specific position, where you can change details if you want. For our purpose, we're going to remove it entirely. Scroll all the way to the bottom of this editor page. You'll see the option labeled Delete Experience. Tap Delete Experience. LinkedIn will ask you to confirm that you want to permanently remove this position. This confirmation is there to prevent accidental edits, so read it carefully. When you confirm the deletion, the role is removed right away. There's no long processing time and no separate save button for this action. Now return to your profile and scroll back to the Experience section. You should see that the position is no longer listed. That's your final check to make sure everything looks exactly the way you want it to. A couple of quick notes to keep things smooth. Layouts can change slightly with app updates, so if you don't immediately see the delete option, make sure you're editing the specific role entry and not the entire section. Also, removing a position won't notify your connections, but it will instantly update what visitors see on your profile. If you change your mind later, you can always re-add the role from the Experience section. And that's all you need to do to remove a work experience from your LinkedIn profile. Simple, clean, and done in just a few taps.